Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Dive into the world of comfort and style with Seat Covers Unlimited. Unleash the perfect blend of protection and personalization for your vehicle seats. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities in seat cover excellence. Number 1. Lingvito Seat Covers Unlimited. Elevate your car or truck's interior with these sleek, stylish covers that scream sophistication. Crafted with precision, these covers not only fit like a glove but also add a touch of luxury to your vehicle. The attention to detail is impeccable, from the stitching to the material quality. Lingvito knows how to blend fashion with function. Easy to install and a breeze to clean, these seat covers are a must-have for any auto enthusiast. Upgrade your driving experience and make a statement on the road with Lingvito Seat Covers Unlimited, where comfort meets class. Number 2. Rough Country Seat Covers Unlimited redefine automotive style. Elevate your car or truck's interior with these sleek, durable covers that seamlessly blend comfort and rugged elegance. Crafted with precision, they hug every contour, ensuring a snug fit and maximum protection. Whether it's spills, stains, or daily wear, these covers are your vehicle's shield. The attention to detail is unmatched, with a design that not only complements your ride but enhances it. Easy to install and a breeze to clean, these seat covers are the ultimate upgrade for any automotive enthusiast. Transform your driving experience with Rough Country, where durability meets sophistication. Number 3. Oasis Auto Seat Covers Unlimited, the epitome of automotive luxury. These covers are a sleek symphony of style and durability, tailored to perfection for both cars and trucks. Crafted with meticulous precision, they effortlessly elevate your interior, embracing seats like a second skin. The premium material feels plush, yet it's rugged enough to withstand the toughest journeys. The attention to detail is remarkable, from easy installation to the snug fit that stays put. Say goodbye to mundane interiors and hello to a driving experience that's as comfortable as it is eye-catching. Oasis Auto, where style meets endurance. Number 4. Cover-a-do Seat Covers Unlimited. Elevate your car or truck's interior game with these sleek, customizable covers that marry form and function flawlessly. Crafted with precision, the Cover-a-do seat covers not only hug every contour but also shield your seats from daily wear and tear. The quality is unmatched, durable, fade-resistant, and easy to clean. Whether you're cruising city streets or tackling off-road adventures, these covers are your ride's armor. Upgrade to Cover-a-do, where aesthetics meet resilience, and transform your vehicle's interior into a statement of sophistication and durability. Number 5. Whiteosaur Seat Covers Unlimited. Elevate your driving experience with these sleek and stylish seat covers designed for cars and trucks. Crafted with precision, the attention to detail is unparalleled. The fabric feels as lavish as it looks, providing comfort and durability that surpasses expectations. The perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality, these covers not only protect your seats but also enhance the interior of your vehicle. Whiteosaur Seat Covers Unlimited effortlessly combines sophistication with practicality, making every drive a statement. Upgrade your ride, indulge in comfort, and make heads turn with these premium seat covers, where elegance meets excellence. In conclusion, Seat Covers Unlimited stands out as the ultimate choice for premium seat covers. With an unparalleled blend of durability, style, and customization, they redefine car interior protection. Elevate your driving experience with their top-notch products. Thanks for watching. Make the wise choice for your vehicle. Seat Covers Unlimited, where comfort meets style.